ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of MOTO Unboxing. On today's episode, we got something very, very exciting and something very special to me. Normally during these episodes, I do unboxings and not even reviews because a lot of the items that I'm unboxing are new to me and I've never used them before. In this case, however, I'm very familiar with this brand and I trust it very much. And what we have inside this bag is a pair of Resurgence Gear New Slim Chinos. Resurgence Gear is a Canadian company that's been around since 2013, which is kind of ironic because that's literally the year that I started riding, and that's literally the year that I first bought my first pair of Resurgence Gear jeans. And what attracted it to me was like the simple style, no extra stitching. They basically look like regular jeans. And before I get into the unboxing or unbagging of this pair of pants here, I want to show you another pair of pants from the same brand. These right here. These are my original pair of the Resurgence Gear jeans. These are the skinny fit, straight, and I've had these for over 10 years. I could still easily use them, although I have a new pair now that I do use. And the reason why I wanted to show you this is because I came off at 40 miles per hour with these jeans on, and I slid down the street. Whoa! Oh. Damn. But look, this right here, this hole was my keys flying out of the pocket, right? Shooting through this hole, out through this hole, and flying down the street. And this little tear right here, this is all the damage that the jean took after sliding on the side at 40 miles per hour. My jacket got scuffed up. I got like a huge bruise on the side of my body and everything. But look, it did not penetrate. Not even close. Not even close. So that is why I trust these. Plus, they wear in beautifully. Look at that. Anyway, this is not about those pants. This is about these pants here. So, without further ado, let's take them out of the bag and take a look at what we got here. Very nice. So, each pair of pants comes with this nice little rucksack. Kind of adorable. I like it. Nice. And look at this. We got some beautiful, beautiful stuff here. First of all, Resurgence Gear have pioneered their own fabric, their own material. Pekev is the name of it. And that is what gives these pants its abrasion resistance. And D3O are the pads that they use, which gives you the impact protection. And these are the new ones. These are the Ghost D3Os. So they actually fold and mold to your shape, which is going to be awesome. So I presume these are knees and these are hips, or these are hips and these are knees, but we're going to install them after we take a look at the jeans a little bit more. So like I said, they're aligned with Pekev, which is their abrasion-resistant material, and these are actually rated AAA by the CE rating. And at one point, they were rated for up to 11 second slide. However, they no longer use the slide scale, the seconds of sliding scale, because all the surfaces are very different. So it's kind of hard to control that. So let's see what we got here. First of all, let's look at the details. I love how there's no external stitching, how there's no silly, graphics or logos. Also, you can wash these and the abrasion resistance will not go away. The material would not deteriorate. Also, they are lined with multiple layers. They are a little bit warmer than your normal pants, but there is multiple layers, and one of them is the moisture wicking one. So there we go. Here we go, men's chinos, new slim. I like the slim cut because these actually fit really well. They kind of mimic the kind of jeans or the kind of pants that I would wear in real life. So that's why I'm very much excited about these. So there we go, slim, Pekev. Excited to actually try these on to see what the rating is. And yeah, like I don't play games with my motorcycle gear. I need the highest level of protection. And these I actually considered to be world's strongest chino pants. That's right. And they have a little bit of stretch to them as well, just a tiny bit, just enough so you're comfortable when you're actually on the bike. So let's take a look here and let's remove these. Remove all this stuff here. So what do we got? Beautiful. It actually tells you where the protection is. Abrasion zones, armor pockets. Beautiful. Protective liner. Yeah, and you can wash them in a washing machine. That's what I've been doing with my pants. I mean, I usually air dry them. I don't think you can dry them in the machine, but you never know. And also, this package came with some stickers and a nice card for the returns. So let's take a look at the actual pants here and put in the pads, and then we're gonna try them on and see how they feel. Let's take a look here. So I would imagine this right here is going to be for my hips. So here we go. Let's add the hips. Then on the other side. And I'm just so excited to have an opportunity to actually work with the brand that I fully love and fully support. The amount of times I have recommended these pants to people. The amount of times. Also, down below, there should be a code for you guys to use in case you want to buy your own and save a little bit of money. So let's take a look. Let's turn them inside out to see how this will work. These pants have adjustable pockets for the knees. So look, basically it comes with two of these. This right here, inside of it is the D30. And now you find the perfect place inside the pant for where you want to put your pad. And this is the moisture wicking layer that I was talking about. So the way, because they do get warm, So I already know how it works for me, because based on my previous jeans, I'm not sure exactly where your knees will be. For me, I always put it as high as it goes while still being able to close the top Velcro. So I basically just line it up like this, straighten it out, line it up like that, and then put this Velcro on top. Now, I've never worn these Chinos, so it is possible that the cut of these specific pants might be a little bit different than my jeans. However, I am willing to bet they will fit just as beautiful as the jeans do. So let's do that. We take the knee, just like so. Boom, a little bit below this Velcro here, and make sure it sticks. Boom, beautiful. So there we go. Now I'm gonna turn them inside out, and let's just take a look at some of the details. Super nice. Got a little pocket here as well. The beauty of these also is that some of us are, you know, like I can wear jeans to work. That is totally fine. However, A, variety is good, and B, I actually work at an office where technically a little bit of a dressier look would be appreciated. And look how simple it is. There's no tags. There's no labels. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. All right, I'm gonna try these on and model them next to the bike. So just to reiterate some of the points that I've made previously. Simple, clean. We got the stretch, right? Look, easy, simple squat, no problem whatsoever. We got both the pads in, hips and knees, and I already feel like 1000% because I work at the office, and this is more realistic of an outfit to pull up, and as opposed to pulling up, you know, jeans. Very much happy with these. And after the first wash, they will shrink a little bit, which is why I think it's important to buy it like a little bit of a larger size, but that's my personal opinion, and that's the kind of fit that I like. But yeah, here we are. This is it.